what's around the next corner.
Welcome back to my channel. Phoenix here for those of you guys that are new. I'm Phoenix, hey, and today's tutorial is an eye look. We're going to do this kind of crazy colorful eye look inspired by Mitchell, who I absolutely adore and love from Instagram. Actually, I think he's got a YouTube channel as well, but this is inspired from a Instagram look that he did. I put kind of my own little twist to it and changed it just a little bit. But yeah, he is the inspiration for this look. So if you guys want to learn how to recreate this colorful eye look, then please keep watching. Taking the Morphe 35B palette and using that baby blue, which is a really nice, strongly pigmented matte eyeshadow, I'm going to take that baby blue into the inner crease area of the eye, about a quarter of the way across. And I'm just using a small flat fluff brush to apply the color and slightly blend out. Then from the same Morphe palette, using that dark matte purple, taking a new clean brush, again a small flat fluff brush, I'm going to apply the purple as our second color. So this again goes a quarter of the way across the eye. And once the color is on, I just slightly blend out so we have a nice transition from the blue into the purple. And then using the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star and using that color Extraction, that is our next shade. So again, taking a new clean brush, that is going to go on the outer corner, so a quarter way across. And again, we're going to blend that color into the existing purple, and I'm using a clean brush to blend the two shades together. And now from the P. Louise palette, using Queen and Martini, I'm going to mix these two colors together to create one shade, and that goes in the last quarter of the eye, so the outer corner of the crease. And once the color is on and blended, I'm going to just softly blend that into the Extraction shade. So each four colors has an even quarter space across the eye crease. Now taking a MAC paint, this is a chroma paint that I mix with a little bit of water, and this is in a really gorgeous baby pink shade, and it's matte. I'm using a concealer brush to cut out the crease and to create my own eyelid shape, and I wanted this to be quite a large eyelid shape, so it is obviously being extended past my natural lid. And as we reach the outer corner of the eyelid, I'm going to taper out the paint, and then I'm going to use a small lip or eyeliner brush to create a wing. And once the paint is on, just using an existing brush with existing color on it, I just blend and soften out the corner of the wing into the shadow. And using that baby pink from the Morphe 35B palette, I'm just using that to set over top of the pink, and it's just a similar shade as the pink paint. Now using Dull Light highlighter, which is called Shine Bright, that goes in the inner corner of the eye. And now another MAC paint, this is in a baby blue, and using a small eyeliner brush, I'm just using that paint to create an eyeliner all the way across the eye, and then that is also going to flick out, following the same flick that we did with the baby pink paint above that. I set the baby blue paint with the baby blue from the Morphe 35B palette. Then using all the same shadows that I used above the eye, I used below on the lower lash line so that we have a liner effect that matches and has a mirror effect to the eyeshadows above. And now it's time for black mascara. So top and bottom lashes using my Phoenix Cosmetics black mascara. And while my lash glue was going tacky and I was waiting for that to dry, I'm gonna go and finish the look by putting some lips on. So I'm using my Phoenix lip liner in Rosewood, and then on top of that I'm putting Honeybare lipstick, which is a gorgeous nude matte lipstick with a little bit of Skinny Dip gloss on top. Now my lash glue has gone tacky, so I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on, and these are the Phoenix lashes in Rita. And so that wraps it up. Definitely this is an eye look where sometimes in the process it looks like it's not going to come together, but you've got to have faith in the process, believe in yourself, keep going with it, and once you get that cut crease on and then once the blue liner goes on, I feel like it just all starts to work and ties in and comes together and looks awesome. Let me know, holla at me in the comments below if you guys are also a fan of Mitchell's work, and yeah, if you guys follow him on Instagram or YouTube, let me know. I think he's a daily source of inspiration for many makeup artists, and I just love how colourful and just flawless his work is, and it's so glam, and it makes you not afraid to use colour, which I'm all about that life. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.